Hey there, Boots Owen here. This is a bottle jack. I think it was 50 ton or 40 ton, something like that. Whether I believe that's neither here nor there. It was leaking, and whenever it was just left on any surface, the surface would become wet with hydraulic oil. And so we've had a look at it, and it appeared that there was a weld here, blanking a hole, painted blue, and that's where it was weeping from when you dried it. We ground it back with a grinder, and you'll see all that coming. Ground it back, you could see it weeping from the weld, so I put another blob of weld on it. That's cured it, that stopped it leaking, made it work, even though it was new. Quality control and whatnot. Now it's dry, and it works. Watch the video, stay tuned.
So we've ground, this is a bottle jack, maybe that's not obvious, but there's a weld there which is sealing up a hole, and we've just pumped it up a little bit and you can see it weeping out from there. Just focus please, there we go. It's still, it's still coming out, just give it a wipe.
I can see two little holes.
So they're not, yeah, it's just bleeding out two little bleeds.
Either better or worse.
Let's just have a look at this weld.
I'll get a wire brush on it.
Right you are.
So we'll clean it up and then we'll just tip it over again and see what it does. See if it oozes that little drop again. Right, and just have to eyeball it for a minute. Might be it. I've put a load of weld on where the leak was.
And that is a big steel plate.
Yeah.
It's not cast.
Yeah, if it was cast, it'd soak out around all the weld probably, wouldn't it?
Right.
It looks okay because it was coming out quite lively before.
Yeah.
We'll
I think we
leave,
just
leave it
need
a
to
few
leave
minutes. Let's try pumping it a bit and see if anything changes. It looks dry.
Yeah.
This would be a good repair now. This is one of the ones I wouldn't start
Right.
for months.
Right. Oh, you mean you just didn't want to just think, and then
One of the round two-its.
yeah, and when the two of us get together, just go, yeah, all right, let's do
Well,
it.
you might have an opinion. You go, well, do you want to do it now? And I go, yeah, I'll do it now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
If it took 30 seconds to get the welder out of the cupboard and an extension cord,
Yeah.
or 3 months,
And use an incredibly dodgy angle grinder.
I think there's enough throw in that now. Okay, so let's let that down. If I can.
Except it won't undo. Is that undoing?
Yep. There we go.
Is it going? How many tons is that supposed to be?
It says 60
Does it?
on the ad.
Right.
If it took 12, I'd be
Happy?
happy. Yeah, happy's the
Yeah.
word. I wouldn't want to put 60 on my homemade bench machine.
No, it would just wreck it totally. And especially as the label doesn't say, and the label's just moved anyway,
well, that was
so
me.
It doesn't matter.
So that's still dry.
I think that just needs to be left overnight.
Yeah.
Actually, let's just think about this. The hole was there, yeah?
Yep.
And so therefore, it's obviously there was a side drilling for this jack
Yep.
that went through there into the pressure vessel,
Yep.
yeah? So that is the pressure side.
So it's the next morning. So this has been, what, at least 12 hours just here. And there's no sign of moisture on the timber. It hasn't moved overnight. There's a bit of damp under it, but the metal had oil underneath it. And there's a bit of a halo around here, but the weld isn't oozing out the way it was before. So I would consider that a successful repair. Like previously, if you left it down, that would just have a square of wet under it. So excellent. Questions or comments, leave them below if this video has been helpful to you. I'd appreciate one of those. Think about becoming a member, subscribing and whatnot. Thanks for watching. See you later.